Hey guys, so we're out here in Wadi Mujib. It's day 5. We're gonna do some canyoning. Have a look at that. So today is one of the crazy days. It's gonna be full of a lot of adventure. So let's go catch up with the guys. Let's see what we got planned. Alright guys, so we've begun our little trek, doing a little hiking mission. Had to leave the vlog camera behind because it's not waterproof. And yeah, starting it, chasing these guys. If this ain't your average hike, this is gonna be a little bit of a swim as well. So, Icky, can you swim? No. That's what you call a very, very brave man right there. Go on, lads. Alright, I'm gonna give this a go. Time to put the camera away. Oh, this is a picture here. Let's take it.
You gotta drop this one. So, we just arrived. Need to follow the water downstream and find civilization. Come on, let's go. This pebble, you can eat this. Great nutrition, great protein. Do not waste it.
Where are you going? Bear Grylls out here. Check out the views. Alright, it's photo time, yeah. Are you ready though? Man's gonna go in the water for this. Flipping photographer duties. Yeah. Alright mate, no worries. I didn't realise we're gonna be walking through water. Trainers already messed up. Check that out. Oi! There's a bit of a thingy to it. Here you go, Ron. Halfway through. Actually, we're not even halfway through, are we? We've only been walking for 10 minutes. This is an actual workout. So we're walking across this canyon while the water's coming at us. I'm actually out of breath already. Water's not as salty as what we dealt with yesterday. But I just want to show you these views right now. Check this out. You don't get this back in England. Let's go see what else lies ahead. Ron, what game does this remind you of? Metal Gear Solid 3. 2! 3 in the jungle. Snake! Oh, check this out, man. Oh, look at that lighting there. It's golden hour. It's golden hour, Iki. It's golden hour. You got that. So Mr. Bear Grylls, update us with our goals.
Who got your name?
Whoa. Damn. Yo, there's a dead body on the stream. You're right there, mate. Hey. Alright, let's give this a try. This is Sparta! Look at this one. Mufasa! Alright, so this shit is crazy. But we want more. Let's go get some more. Woo! 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 Alright, Kev. We made it! I don't know how. It was a struggle. We fought the whole war. We made it. This is what life's about. We made it.
Made it.
Nigga, we made it. Hey. We made it. Nigga, we made it. Nigga, we made it. Hey, we made it. Hey, nigga, we made it. Hey, we made it. Yeah. Now we're gonna go all the way back. Definitely recommend this to everybody watching. Woo. Wow. Alright, we're live. The challenge is we're going directly into that waterfall without falling. Apparently it can't be done, so let's give it a go. You ready? The inside of the waterfall, we're behind it right now. Wow! Tell them what's happening.
When it rains, it pours.
Woo! 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 Our iPhones are really waterproof. I'm not giving that number, but you need to jump into a waterfall. Alright, iPhone. I've done everything on here. Hey! Thank you, we made it! We found civilization! Alhamdulillah! Are you reading the law? What's that? Are you reading the law?
Ride with the mob, humble Allah.
Yeah, we have to show it. I recommend it. You ready, yeah? Not really, no. Alright. Where do you fly from? We're from here. There we go. Go down here.
Snake, answer me! Snake! Snake!
Okay. Woohoo!
Yeah, boys, what are we about to do?
About to jump, take a leap of faith.
Oh, proper good looking lad, eh?
You know when you go. Go. Now you want to show the girl. Alright. Good fella. Alright. So this is where people jump and they wash away their sins, and
This is the baptism side,
this is the
basically.
baptism.
Exactly.
We don't know what religion, but this is the baptism. We're about to get baptized. Danger, oh yeah.
Danger, danger.
We're about to go
We're about to fall in ropes, to be honest.
Have you ever done anything like this?
I have, yeah. I jumped off a boat into the Jumeirah Ocean beach.
I ain't scared, bro. What the fuck, bro? I'm scared. Nah, seriously.
Yeah.
I don't like this shit, bro.
Are you afraid of heights?
I'm afraid of nothing but the wall. Nothing but God.
Please go. Yeah.
Okay, you got the video playing, yeah?
Video.
Bismillah.
Rolling. There. Yeah, no pose there. Yeah, no, over there. When a horn? Okay, in the middle. Jump in the middle. Alright. Alright, I don't know what he's doing. But,
I'm flying on the rocks!
he's floating and I'm just walking.
I'm flying on the rocks!
These ones been extra for no reason. Oh, by the way, Shez,
Yeah.
I'll tell you later.
Hey, I've washed up on shore.
What is fucking stand? You been. You
Go
got
and
bleep
ask
that out.
questions. Oh, fuck!
Bleep that out, though.
Please! Oh, shit!
We got another man down. We got a man down. Man down.
Not try doing that on your front, bro.
Yeah.
What are you doing? He's literally in like a foot of water.
What is this? Who are you filming? So listen, let me tell you a little story about this place.
Alright, go on. History time.
Basically,
Alright.
back in 70 BC,
70 BC, yeah?
yeah,
Alright.
there was a Roman god
Okay.
called Empire.
Alright. I never heard this one before, but
Yeah.
keep going.
Well, the Romans thought he was a god. He came to Jordan. They go, these are our lands.
Okay.
You can't come here, you can't do nothing.
So they flooded it.
No, he didn't flood it. Why spoiling the story?
I'm sorry.
So basically, he goes, I can split the mountain and give you water, running water.
Okay.
Will you give me the land?
He's running around.
Roll. Gently down.
You're like a brown rat. That's what you deserve that.
Listen, we jumped.
Dwayne the Rock Johnson, yes.
We jumped off.
Yeah.
We actually did like a big jump. I don't know if it's filmed alright. Did you get my jump?
I got the jump. But like you didn't do the Wakanda Forever. You just jumped in and said Wakanda. You didn't.
Yeah, but if you're from the back, I did do it. Alright, we'll replay that and watch it again.
Alright. Hello, hi.
Yeah, we should claim a rock.
Everyone's claiming Arab land, Israelis,
know what?
Chinese.
We just stone. Oh, she's already claimed that one. I can't roll it.
Oh, you can't carry that, you know.
This stone.
There we go.
The symbol.
You know who you
You're
look
gonna
like?
make a flag. Who?
Fucking castaway.
Tom Hanks. Alright. As Shezville. Yeah. Oh,
You did-
don't litter.
Come on, Shez.
I forgot. We're
It's all
doing a
about
video.
recycling. Take care of
Never
the planet.
litter, guys. Alright. Littering is bad. As everybody, yeah, we got caught. We got caught red-handed. Let's get out of here, man.
Next time I'm coming, just get some waterproof things in.
So we finished our trek. Is that what it's called?
Well, wading through water. Wading.
Come home with a lot of injuries. Icky broke his shin.
I'm fine.
Rohan broke his soul.
Time I was broke a long time ago.
Just dropped out my hand and I got told off for littering. Which wasn't my fault.
Drop it in, just throw it
But yeah, what an experience, man.
out.
So this guy has been living here for 4 years. He didn't even know about this. And us guys come here for 2 days. And already experienced more. What's the next plan?
Next plan is eat now, isn't it? I'm not
We go
hungry,
get
but-
some food. And then go to Mount Nebo. What is the history of Mount Nebo?
Mount Nebo is the place where Moses.
No, we'll Google it on the way and find out.
I'll
And
Google
then
it on the way.
we'll tell you when we get there.
I googled it on the way.
Alright.
I
Peace
googled
out.
it. I'll tell them. No, that's the whole point of it. Like,
Oh.
I'm saying, like, yeah, I'll get. Then you say, you peace out.
Okay.
You don't know what I'm saying.
Okay.
I'm saying, I'll tell them, but you're ending it.
Yeah.
On purpose.
Okay, I'm ending it on purpose.
You just forget it, man. You know, I'll
No?
try to end it on a comedic note, but
We're ending it on purpose. No?
Shall we tell them about Mount Nebo right now?
Yeah, go on.
All right, cool. That was good. Anyway, Mount Nebo
Alright guys, peace out. Catch you later.